wanted to make this dish, the first thing that I thought about is that it costs $2 to $3 to buy an artichoke, like one artichoke in a German supermarket, which is crazy because I need 8 artichokes, and so it's gonna end up costing me $24 to just buy the artichokes, not including the lamb and not including the spices and all of that. And so I did what everybody would do when I went to Brussels and got very fresh artichokes, very cheap, visited my family, came back here, and of course, in a very German manner, my German girlfriend asks me, did you include the cost of going to and back from Brussels in how much the artichoke ended up costing? And so I just told her that, you know, because of you, we cannot have nice things in this life. I don't think she took it very well, but yeah, I think if we make this dish and it comes out well, she might be convinced. We will start with roughly chopping 2 medium onions. Half of a preserved lemon. And 2 tablespoons of mixed parsley and cilantro. Take 4 garlic cloves. Cut the tips and peel them. Use the knife to press garlic against the cutting board. And then roughly chop it. On medium-high heat, cover your pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sear the lamb for 2 minutes on each side. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and all the onion. Move things around. Let the lamb and the onion get to know each other. Then cover them and let them simmer for 7 minutes. Now add the garlic, parsley, cilantro, and preserved lemon. Let everybody mingle. Cover and cook for 7 minutes. Now it's time to introduce the spices to the party. Starting with a teaspoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of ginger, and a tablespoon of turmeric. Cover and cook for 7 minutes. Now add 300 ml or 10 fluid ounces of hot water. Cover and cook for 45 minutes. If you never cleaned artichokes before, you need to cut off the stem first, and then cut the artichoke horizontally halfway across. Peel off all the petals. And then use a small spoon to clear the choke. Use your knife to clean anything that looks too green, unless you really need that fiber. Put the artichoke heart immediately in a bowl of cold water and lemon juice. Otherwise, they will oxidize and turn dark. When you introduce the guests of honor, put them straight in the sauce and not on top of the meat, so that they can cook faster. Add about 45 grams or 1.5 ounces of green peas. Add another 150 ml or 5 fluid ounces of hot water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Use some of the sauce to cover the artichoke hearts. And then add some red or green olives. If you like a little kick and don't want to ruin the dish for others, just add some chili peppers on top, let them steam, and you can just pop them later in your own dish. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Now try the artichokes. If they are ready, let the sauce reduce, and that's it. Enjoy! Yeah, so it's ready. It's time to give it a little try. I got some Turkish bread that I made last time in the last video. Feel free to check it up. I think here. I need to dig in straight into the artichoke. It's delicious. It's really delicious. Very nice balanced flavors. Lots of earthiness from the artichoke and the green peas, and plenty of aroma from the preserved lemons and the olives, and of course some lamb meat and fat and bones. You know, it's really nice. I hope you can make it if you can find some cheap artichokes where you live. That's it for me today. I'll leave all the ingredients right below this video. If you like this, you know what to do. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.